one of the most respected and revered names. So I was like, why, sir, let me have my liberties. So
Rohan wants me to guide you how a person should become a good chartered accountant. If we can start to understand what is a chartered accountant. Our motto, CA, Alphabets of Trust. Now, chartered accountants, are they trusted by business community or not? Are they trusted in this society or not? Is a moot question. Have we ever given it a thought that as a practicing chartered accountant, towards whom I am loyal? The hand which feeds me, that is my client, or the officer community to whom I am presenting my cases. This is a question which younger group should address. We work with several chartered accountants. There we find that we make submissions, we present our cases, and then at the finalization stage, sometime or other, we are not able to resist the pressures. And then several times we find that something has gone wrong, something which is not in favor of my client. Still, I will just make a brief reference. If you have ever seen Veer Zara, in that Anupam Kher and that Rani Mukherjee, there is a dialogue, and Rani Mukherjee says that Satya ki, and Anupam Kher saying that मैं मेरे client की side लूँगा. Till you take up somebody as client, yes, Satya, you will certainly observe. You will never guide a client, a prospective client, to do something illegal, irregular, which is not good. But after certain event has happened and client comes to you, then what? Where do you stand? You have got option. Do not take him. Refuse. Sir, आपने बहुत ब्लैक का पैसा कमाया है, मैं नहीं कर सकता. I am a good citizen of this country, or I won't defend you. This is one option. If you feel, yes, there are certain merits in his case, and then I take him up. Having taken him up, we should become his friend, his guiding force. And there should be total relationship of trust with him. He should be able to, most of us are from business families. We share everything except financial details, even with our own chacha, mama, and all those things. Salary of a boy, he doesn't like to share all his aspects even with his wife. But he has to share it with his chartered accountant. There the question arises that, am I trustworthy? Have I understood that this friend who may not be sharing all his details, at least financial details, with even his family members, is ready to share it with me. How do I do justice to that? As a chartered accountant, there are certain professional ethics which we are expected to meet out. When I qualified in 1988, the first and foremost question before me was, from where my first client is going to come. Profession tells me I should not go and solicit. I should be sitting in my cabin. A prospective client has to come to me, and then negotiation, then work will start. Even in 88, maybe today 2011, situation remains. If a young boy put up a board, how he expects his first client to come? There are maybe 150 chartered accountants. At my time also there were 40 chartered accountants who were practicing. So why somebody should come to me? Simple question. One uncle may come, but then he will not be giving me as a professional. He would be giving me as Bhatija, Bhanja, nothing more than that. Then how do I practice? Where do I get my first client, and then the chain will start? Those questions were there today also. Whenever a person comes, a boy starts CA course, I ask him कि आपका सलमान खान कौन है? Who is your role model? किसको देख के आप सीए होना चाहते हो? क्या सोच के सीए होना चाहते हो? When you are in 12th standard, there are hundreds of things which you can do. Why choose this curriculum? If you answer this, then only come to this course. Otherwise, हजार चीजें करने को, गाना गाओ, क्रिकेट खेलो, पेंटिंग करो, इंजीनियरिंग करो, डॉक्टर बनो, whatever. Am I able to earn that trust whenever, as and when, by maintaining all my professional qualities, my professional ethics, will I be able to earn that trust? That is the most important aspect of chartered accountancy firm. A chartered accountant, if he is able to do that, then client automatically tells you, sir, ये ऐसा है, sir, ये ऐसा करूँ क्या? Then only slowly you become his friend. After starting my practice again in 2000, maybe I was fortunate enough to be working with LIC, where several things I learned, and it helped me getting confidence that yes, whatever comes, I would be able to handle it. I resigned on 23rd of December, and on 5th of January there was a matter in BIFR. Half of you may not be even knowing what is BIFR, because we don't need to do it. And a client said कि चलते हैं क्या वहाँ पर? मैंने बोला चलिए भाई क्या है वहाँ पर, देख लेते जाके. Going there, the show cause notice was issued and stated that why your company should not be wound up. Prathamagrase Makshikapata. But when we came back, we understood that yes, there is a way out. We can overcome this particular negativity. Client had faith in us. So we could do something within a short span of time which resulted in altogether a different outcome of it. Why I am sharing this with you is that don't limit yourself to income tax, accounts, maybe audits. There is a vast field outside, which if you explore, client would have several things to do. If you are able to guide him, understand what he is, what is his risk-taking capacity, we are better equipped to understand all those things. As against client, our auditing standard says that you should be able to run his business better than him. How many of us try to understand client's business? Client's business can we understand and then guide him? Guiding in vacuum will not help. Vacuum it will not help unless you know his business. Then the limitation of time, limitation of fees and all those things will come. My experience tells that don't take up multiple clients to whom you cannot do justice. Take up maybe few, 5, 7, 7, 8, 10 maximum. Like what in stock markets they say that don't spread your, take only 5, 6, 7, 8 stocks, nothing more than that, so that you can monitor them. Like that, if you take up only those many clients, 3 years down the line you will get those fees. But then you will be able to understand the client. Then you will be understand what are his needs, what are his aspirations, what exactly he wants to do. And then with your knowledge, all people, those who qualify chartered accountancy are brilliant. By definition, if somebody qualifies, he is brilliant. Only thing is experience where he may be lacking, if at all. Otherwise, when there is a, in our time it was, result was hardly 2%, 3%. I am not a bright student. Only because people around me were bright. Maybe my father, maybe Doshi sir, maybe Venkat bhai, all those people. Even my teacher in 9th standard who started me with accountancy, those people were brilliant. And they gave me something which helped me understanding what is accounts. Most of us, that first question when accountancy started, they are asked, accountancy science hai ki art hai? How many of us have answered this? What is accountancy? These are eternal questions. Have we given it a thought? What is accountancy? Can anybody tell me? What is accountancy? What is accounting? We are all students of chartered accountancy who bread, butter, रोटी, सब्जी सब accountancy है, पर हम कितने लोग उसको उस नजरिए से देख पा रहे हैं? These questions, if we are able to answer, we will become a good chartered accountant. If we are able to become a good friend and a guiding light to our client, don't take up 10, 20, 100 clients, take up only limited one, give them full time, and that only will probably help us to help our client, who in turn will pay us fees. Higher is our involvement. Automatically, now nobody wants sort of free advices or free. Several of my clients सामने से आके पूछते हैं कि साहब आपकी फीस कितनी हुई, कितना दूं मैं? Even though you might not have quantified it in earlier stage, but you know that बराबर से दे देगा. My experience is 100 times whatever fees I got was more than my expectation. This much I can share with you. This conviction will come only if you are confident. I think apart from giving lectures, if you ask me certain questions, I would be able to give whatever I have got better than giving just a lecture. So maybe after this session, I would invite certain questions from you, and if there are certain questions which may give better light how to conduct profession as a professional and not a routine practice. इनकम टैक्स में जाके आ गए, 2-4 टैक्स ऑडिट कर लिए और खत्म हो गया. That is not the accountants. Accounts should be used as a MIS to understand the client. How many of us are doing that? सेल्स अकाउंट, परचेस अकाउंट, क्या सेल किया, क्या परचेस किया, बहुत सी बार हमको यह भी नहीं मालूम रहता है. क्लाइंट स्टील कर रहा है, सीमेंट कर रहा है, सोना कर रहा है, अनाज कर रहा है. हाउ मेनी ऑफ अस हैव गॉन टू क्लाइंट्स फैक्ट्री और इस शॉप एंड अंडरस्टूड कि वो क्या कर रहा है, कौन सी जगह में बैठा है, कौन सी परिस्थितियों में काम कर रहा है. ये जब तक हम समझ नहीं लेंगे, जब तक ये हम, तब तक वी विल नॉट बी एबल टू डू जस्टिस टू दैट क्लाइंट. This is the message what I want to give. A very simple message. Don't overburden yourself. Take few clients, but give full justice to them. If that is what you are able to do, it will have satisfaction that yes, this is what with my help got created. This is what with my help has happened. I think that's the philosophy of at least my practice. I think with this I will conclude. Thank you.